Hello friends, I'm Soumya and welcome to Journey with Crochet. So today we'll learn the very first actual crochet stitch. You can say this is the single crochet stitch. So this is the most important crochet stitch that will be going to use in almost all of our crochet projects. So let's learn that today. Okay, so I have already done the foundation chain. Now we'll start with our single crochet. So what we'll do, so I have done like 11 chains, so I will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 chains are there. So for single crochet, this is not your chain, like whatever is the hook is there, this is not your chain. We will skip this first chain and insert our hook into this second, into this part. This hole is there, right? So we'll insert our hook here, then yarn over and pull that yarn through this loop. Then now two loops are there, again yarn over, then pull through both this loop, right? So this is our very first single crochet stitch. We'll do it again on the second chain. So this is my second, this one is done, so I'm going to this second chain. Okay, so insert your hook through this, yarn over and pull the yarn through this one. Then now you have two loops on your hook, then yarn over again, pull through both the loops. This is our second single crochet stitch. Again let me do it. Insert this, pull the yarn through this loop. Now you have two loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both. You can see, right? 1 2 3. So like that you can continue till the end. This is the macrame yarn I am using for the video purpose, and it's too thick, but it's easy to see this, and easy for like this kind of learning tutorial. Okay, it will get curl, so don't worry about that. So this is my slip knot. The last one is a slip knot, but still there is one chain left. Okay, so this is our first single crochet. It will look like this, and this V is right. These V's are one single crochet stitch. So as we have skipped the first stitch, as you remember, while starting our single crochet stitch, so that should be 10 stitches now. So we'll count. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So to continue to the next row, what we can do, we'll just do one chain here, one chain here, then turn from this right to left. You can turn, because always we walk from this side, like right side to left side. Okay, so now what we will do, so now we will insert below this below this V, insert our hook below this V. Okay, so this one here, we'll insert here. Now we'll yarn over and pull, and we'll repeat the process how we did the last row. Okay, this is the V. We'll insert below this V, yarn over, pull, then again pull through both the loops. Okay, so now also you can see, right, there are two V kind of stitches are there. So this is my single crochet. So insert again, grab this and pull through both the loops. Okay, you can see, right? So you can continue like that. So for practice you can do several rows once you like feel that yeah, now you're okay with the single crochet, then you can start any project using the single crochet. So thank you for watching my videos. Please, if you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.